Video of car shock absorber cutting and sealing machine. After receiving the equipment, please use expansion screws to fix the equipment. It will be more stable during operation. First, preparation before construction. Find the corresponding air connector and insert it into the shock absorber. Drain the nitrogen inside the shock absorber. Rotate the sliding rods of fixed bearings on both sides counterclockwise. Free up fixed space. After inserting the shock absorber into the construction platform, insert it into the motor slot and pre-lock the shock absorber. Make sure the shock absorber is vertically fixed. Second, the seal is cut. Connect the device to a 220-volt power supply and turn on the power switch. Press the down button on the remote control. Make sure the cutting blade is lowered 3 mm below the shock absorber seal. Rotate the fixed bearing sliders on both sides clockwise to ensure the upper part of the shock absorber is fixed. Turn on the power switch of the rotating motor. You can adjust the motor speed through the speed regulator. Adjust the motor speed to medium speed. Fine-tune the fixed bearings on both sides again. Try to ensure the shock absorber is at the center point. After adjusting the center point, turn off the rotating motor. Tighten the shock absorber again. Turn on the power of the rotating motor. Adjust the speed of the rotating motor to the fastest. Turn on the power switch of the cutting machine. Adjust the cutting speed to the fastest. Make sure the cutting machine rotates clockwise. Press the pause button. You can switch the cutting machine's rotation direction by keys. Slowly rotate the cutting machine's sliding rod. Start cutting the seal. After the seal is cut off, turn off the power of the rotating motor and the cutter. Remove the cutting machine and left and right fixed bearings. Press the up button. When the construction platform rises, pay attention to the side to avoid rising too high and causing obstruction. Take out the shock absorber for maintenance. After cutting, deburr the incision. Third, inner cylinder cutting. Before cutting, the cloth block needs to be inserted into the inner cylinder for sealing protection. Fix and cut the inner cylinder with a height of 3 mm, according to the above process again. Fourth, shock absorber edge banding. After the maintenance of the shock absorber is completed, it is fixed on the equipment again. Rotate the edge banding device slider clockwise. Adjust the construction platform to the appropriate height through the remote control. Rotate the edge sealing handle. Make sure the edge sealing bearing squeezes the edge. The edge sealing is done. Turn off the device power. Remove the shock absorber. Construction is